for this problem, you use ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. This is the equation. You were given 3 points, and with these 3 points, you are going to plug it into the x and y of the equation. So for this one, it is ax squared, so you put a 4 since it is x. And then you will do this for all 3 of the equations from the 3 points that you have. And then after you get your 3 equations, you are going to simplify them. And when you simplify them, you will then number them so that's easier for your next step. And step number 3 is to use equations 1 and 3, 3 and 2, and 1 and 2. Subtract by flipping all signs of the bottom equation in order to cancel. Which equation is top and bottom does not matter. So now, you take equation 1 and 3, and then you add them. But what you do is you flip the signs so that you have your equation, and you do this for 2 and 3, and you do this for 1 and 2, and then for the 1 and 2, you have an answer of b equals 0, and you now found b. So now you take this and you plug it in. You choose either 12a plus 6b equals negative 36, or 12a plus minus 2b equals negative 36. You plug in 0 since the c canceled. So you're left with 12a plus 6 times 0 equals negative 36. 12a equals negative 36. You'll get a equals negative 3. Now, you move on. Now that you have a and b, you plug in variables to each equation to find a, b, and c to find c. So, you have a, you have b, so now you're going to select one of the equations from before. You want to select the easiest one. So you plug in the a value that you found right here, and you plug in the b value that you found here into here, and you solve this out, and you will get your c value. And when you get your c value, now you have a and b and c, so you create your quadratic. So it would be negative 3x plus 0x plus 9, so that simplifies to negative 3x plus 9. And misconceptions and common mistakes are not flipping the signs. Right here in this step, this is very important so that your c's will end up canceling out, because if they don't cancel out, they won't all be wrong. Not squaring the numbers initially. This is right here. You have to make sure to square these numbers so when you simplify it, they work out correctly. And incorrectly squaring negative numbers. So, for example, if you were doing this, seems very much like the answer would be negative 16, but the answer is 16, because negative 4 times negative 4, these negatives will cancel out and it will be a positive 16. And lastly, sign errors, which are very common throughout the whole problem and are very easy to make.